Greetings, health enthusiasts. Thank you for tuning into our channel today. We know your time is precious and we appreciate your interest in joining us on this journey of wellness. Today we're taking a deep dive into the world of fennel seeds, unfolding their numerous health benefits. From aiding digestion to supporting heart health, these little seeds pack a powerful punch. So are you ready to discover the health-boosting powers of fennel seeds? Buckle up, because we're diving straight in. Starting off, did you know that fennel seeds are great for your digestive system? Yes, you heard it right. This aromatic spice, often found in your kitchen cabinet, is packed with compounds that can work wonders for your gut health. One of the key compounds present in fennel seeds is anethol. This powerful substance helps relax your gastrointestinal tract, effectively reducing symptoms like bloating, gas, and indigestion. So, when you're feeling a bit uneasy after a hearty meal, a spoonful of fennel seeds can provide the much-needed relief. Now let's delve a bit deeper. You see, the magic of fennel seeds doesn't stop at soothing your stomach. They also play a significant role in maintaining the regularity of your bowel movements. How, you ask? Well, it's all about fiber. Fennel seeds are loaded with dietary fiber. This nutrient is known for adding bulk to your diet, which in turn aids in smooth digestion. It helps food move through your digestive tract more efficiently, thereby preventing issues like constipation. So if you're grappling with irregular bowel movements or struggling with constipation, incorporating fennel seeds into your diet might just be the natural solution you're looking for. But remember, like all good things, moderation is key. While fennel seeds are generally safe to consume, it's important not to overdo it. Seek the advice of a healthcare professional if necessary, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or have a medical condition. In essence, fennel seeds are more than just a flavor enhancer for your dishes. They're a natural digestive aid, providing relief from discomfort and promoting regular bowel movements. So, keep them handy in your spice rack. Sprinkle them over your dishes, brew them into a soothing tea, or simply chew on them after meals to reap their benefits. So, the next time you experience digestive discomfort, remember to reach out for some fennel seeds. Now let's delve deeper into the healing properties of fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These compounds are nature's defense mechanism, warding off harmful free radicals in our bodies. When we consume fennel seeds, we're introducing these protective compounds into our system, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a common response of our bodies to diseases and injuries. However, chronic inflammation can lead to serious health problems, including heart disease and cancer. Therefore, incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like fennel seeds into our diet can significantly contribute to overall health and well-being. So how do these little seeds work their magic? Well, one of the key anti-inflammatory compounds in fennel seeds is a substance called anethol. This powerful compound fights inflammation by blocking the activity of a protein that triggers inflammatory responses in the body. But that's not all. Fennel seeds also contain a variety of antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic compounds. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals that can cause oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Now, moving on to digestive health. Regular consumption of fennel seeds can be a game changer for your digestive system. These seeds contain compounds that help relax the gastrointestinal tract, reducing bloating, gas, and indigestion. Moreover, fennel seeds can help prevent common digestive disorders. For instance, they may help prevent acid reflux, a condition where stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing heartburn and other discomforts. They can also help prevent gastritis and inflammation of the stomach lining and irritable bowel syndrome, a disorder that affects the large intestine and can cause cramping, abdominal pain, bloating, gas, and diarrhea. So, the next time you feel your stomach churning, remember the humble fennel seed. A simple infusion, a sprinkle on your salad, or even a chew after your meals can make a world of difference to your digestive health. Isn't it amazing how these tiny seeds can have such a big impact on our health? Fennel seeds aren't just beneficial for our digestive system, they have other amazing health benefits too. Let's dive into some of these, starting with the powerful relief they offer from menstrual symptoms. Historically, fennel seeds have been a go-to remedy for many women dealing with the discomfort of menstruation. They contain a variety of compounds that can help alleviate some of the most common symptoms associated with this monthly cycle. For instance, they're known to help reduce menstrual cramps, a common affliction that can range from a mild annoyance to a debilitating condition. But how do they do this? Well, The answer lies in the antispasmodic properties of fennel seeds. These help in relaxing the muscles in the uterus, thereby reducing the intensity of the cramps. In addition, many women experience bloating during their period. This is where fennel seeds once again come to the rescue. Their diuretic properties can help reduce water retention, thus relieving the bloating and the discomfort that comes with it. But the benefits of fennel seeds don't stop at menstrual relief. They also play a significant role in supporting heart health. In today's world, where heart disease is a leading cause of death, it's more important than ever to support our cardiovascular system. Fennel seeds can help in this fight. They've been found to lower cholesterol levels, a key factor in heart disease. By reducing the amount of LDL, or bad cholesterol in the body, fennel seeds can help reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Additionally, fennel seeds can support heart health by helping to control blood pressure. High blood pressure or hypertension can lead to a host of health problems including heart disease and stroke. Fennel seeds contain a good amount of potassium, a mineral that can help lower blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of sodium. Who knew these humble seeds could offer such comprehensive health benefits? Fennel seeds are a powerhouse of health benefits. Let's explore some more. Our next stop on this journey of wellness revolves around weight management. It's no secret that maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for overall health and well-being. Fennel seeds might be the unexpected ally you've been looking for. These tiny seeds pack a punch when it comes to fiber content. Fiber, as we know, is integral to a healthy diet. It helps to keep our digestive system running smoothly, but did you know it can also aid in weight management? When consumed, fiber-rich foods like fennel seeds can promote a feeling of fullness. This sensation of satiety helps to curb unnecessary snacking and reduce overall calorie intake. So next time you feel those mid-afternoon hunger pangs, consider reaching for a handful of fennel seeds instead of a bag of chips. Your waistline might thank you for it. But the wonders of fennel seeds don't stop at weight management. These seeds are also a rich source of antioxidants. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about antioxidants? Well, allow me to enlighten you. Antioxidants are substances that help protect our cells from oxidative damage. This damage, caused by free radicals, is associated with a host of health problems, including heart disease and cancer. Fennel seeds are particularly rich in a group of antioxidants known as flavonoids. These powerful compounds not only neutralize harmful free radicals, but they also have anti-inflammatory properties. This means they can help to reduce inflammation in the body, which is often at the root of many chronic health conditions. So, whether you're looking to manage your weight, protect your cells, or simply boost your overall health, fennel seeds could be just what you need. These flavorful seeds are easy to incorporate into your diet, whether you choose to add them to your dishes, brew them into a soothing tea, or simply munch on them as a tasty and healthful snack. Fennel seeds truly are a gift from nature, aren't they? As we wrap up, let's touch upon a few more benefits of fennel seeds. First, let's talk about eye health. Fennel seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients like vitamin A and beta-carotene. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy vision and may even help prevent age-related eye conditions like macular degeneration. Moving on to respiratory health. Fennel seeds have expectorant properties that may help relieve respiratory conditions like coughs, asthma, and bronchitis. They work by loosening mucus and easing breathing, providing a natural way to alleviate respiratory discomfort. Now let's talk about something a bit more personal. Bad breath. Yes, that's right. Chewing fennel seeds can help freshen breath and promote oral hygiene. Their antimicrobial properties work wonders in tackling the root causes of bad breath. Lastly, but by no means least, fennel seeds can support bone health. They're a good source of essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are vital for maintaining strong and healthy bones. So whether you're looking to keep osteoporosis at bay in your golden years, or you're an athlete seeking to keep your bones strong, fennel seeds can be a valuable addition to your diet. And there you have it, the wellness wonders of fennel seeds in a nutshell.